Greetings, dear viewers. We're here today to discuss an exciting event in the financial world, the Motisons Jewellers IPO. This much-anticipated event has the potential to shake things up in the market, and we're here to guide you through it. From the basics of the IPO to the grey market premium, and even how to apply. We've got it all covered. So buckle up, because this is going to be an enlightening journey into the world of investing. Stay tuned as we delve into the details of this much-awaited IPO. The Motisons Jewellers IPO is set to open for subscription on December 18th, 2023, and will close on December 20th, 2023. This is an opportunity that's as sparkling as the jewels they craft. The stock has a face value of 10 rupees per share, and the price band for the IPO is set between 52 to 55 rupees per share. The IPO will consist of a fresh issue of around 274,701,000 shares, with no offer for sale component. The funds raised will be used to repay borrowings and for working capital needs. It's like polishing a gemstone. They're using the funds to enhance their business operations and shine brighter in the market. The IPO will be listed on the National Stock Exchange and Bombay Stock Exchange. The grey market price for the IPO indicates a listing premium of 109.09%. It's like a diamond in the rough, waiting to reveal its full potential. The minimum lot size for retail investors is 250 shares, so it's accessible to a wide variety of investors. The allocation of shares is 50% for qualified institutional buyers, 35% for retail investors, and 15% for high-net-worth individual or non-institutional investors. The promoters currently hold a 91.55% stake, which will be diluted to 66.00% post-IPO. This is a significant step marking their commitment to growth and transparency, akin to a jeweler assuring you of the purity of their gold. Now, let's talk about the grey market price or GMP of the IPO, which indicates a listing premium of 109.09%. The grey market price, often referred to as the GMP, is an essential indicator in the world of IPOs. Acting as a barometer of sorts, it gives us a sense of the market sentiment towards an upcoming IPO. In simple terms, it's the premium that market participants are willing to pay for the stock above its issue price, even before it lists on the exchanges. For the Motisons Jewellers IPO, the GMP suggests a hefty premium of 109.09%. To put that into perspective, that's more than double the issue price. This high premium could be a result of a variety of factors, including the company's strong market position, promising growth prospects, or simply the overall positive sentiment in the market towards the jewelry sector. This high GMP is also reflective of the strong interest from the market participants. Investors, both retail and institutional, seem to be showing a keen interest in this IPO, which is a positive sign for the company. However, as always, it's important to remember that GMP is a speculative indicator and not a guarantee of the listing price. This high GMP indicates a strong interest and positive sentiment towards the Motisons Jewellers IPO. If you're interested in this IPO, you might be wondering how to apply. Well, let's walk through the process together. It's really quite straightforward. First things first, you'll need to have a Demat account. This is a prerequisite for investing in any IPO. If you don't have one, many banks and financial institutions can help set you up. Once your Demat account is ready, you can apply for the IPO through your bank or brokerage firm. Simply navigate to the IPO section, select Motisons Jewellers IPO, and fill out the application form. You'll need to input details like your Demat account number, PAN number, and the number of shares you wish to apply for. Speaking of shares, the minimum lot size for retail investors is 250 shares, so you'll need to apply for at least this many. The allocation of shares is structured as follows: 50% for qualified institutional buyers or QIBs, 35% for retail investors, and the remaining 15% for high net worth individual or non-institutional investors, also known as HNI or NII investors. Now remember to check the price band, which is set at 52 to 55 rupees per share. You can bid within this range or at any price above the floor price. Once you've filled out the application form, submit it along with the bid price and the number of lots you're applying for. And there you have it. You've successfully applied for the Motisons Jewellers IPO. Please note though that this doesn't guarantee you'll receive the shares. The basis of allotment will be finalized on December 21st, 2023, and the stock will list on December 26th, 2023. We've covered a lot of ground today on the Motisons Jewellers IPO. We delved into the details of the offering, highlighting the face value, price band, and impressive grey market premium. We also touched on the allocation of shares and the promising post-IPO stake dilution. Furthermore, we walked you through the simple application process. Remember, the subscription opens on December 18th, 2023 and closes on December 20th, 2023. Thank you for tuning in, dear viewers. Stay updated for more financial insights in our upcoming videos.